Hey, it's Dan from the Food in My Beard. I'm here at Arsenal Park in Watertown, Mass. Today I'm making a grilled, fried, chipotle honey chicken sandwich. And there's a guy mowing the lawn that's gonna totally ruin this video, but that's fine. We're grilling at. Really great way to set yourself up for success when cooking like this is to make sure you have a lot of do-ahead stuff. I have the chicken here. It's been marinating for like an hour. You don't want to marinate it that much longer than an hour because there's a lot of pickle juice and pepperoncini juice in here that is going to basically start cooking the chicken. I also just trimmed up the chicken a little bit so it's a nice sandwich size, I guess. So I'm gonna pop an egg into this. The reasoning behind the egg is, this is the worst crack of an egg I've ever done in my life. Can you get me a paper towel? The reasoning behind the egg is that I'm thinking it's going to help adhere the tortillas to the chicken itself on the grill. All right, that's mixed up pretty good. And now I'm gonna add in the tortilla crumbs. And basically, I mean, I understand we're basically doing shake and bake here, but what I wanted to use the tortillas because I feel like it does look the way a fried chicken sandwich looks. I think it's gonna give us the best crunch on the grill and the best just browning and the most reminiscent of actual fried chicken. Really just coat it. Then I'm gonna take this and put it on this baking sheet to basically just sit and chill for about 10 minutes before we put it on the grill. Before I flip these, I'm just gonna pat the tops down with a little oil with the clean part of the cloth here. The real trouble with this recipe is just getting the breading to stay on the chicken and not on the grill. So that's why we're just trying to grease them up a little bit. And then just get in here and be real gentle with the flip. That looks good. All right. So to top these sandwiches, I'm gonna start with a chipotle mayo. I made this by taking the marinade before I put the chicken in it and mixing it with mayo. And then of course some spicy pickles. And then I'm gonna grab the chicken and throw it right on there. We kept most of our topping attached, but not quite all of it. That's the best you can ask for, really. I have this slaw that's just red and green cabbage with some carrot and carrot and red pepper. I also added a little cilantro and scallions to it. Awesome, I'm gonna throw a little more of this sauce on top. Man, I've been dying for a sandwich like this, just craving it because you see so many pictures online and you want to eat it so bad. I wasn't trying to like necessarily recreate the Popeye sandwich or anything, just more of like try to get something along those lines on the grill. Because if you think about it, like if you're asked at a restaurant, would you rather grilled or fried, you're always going to choose fried because you can make grilled at home when you're trying to be healthy. I wanted to make a grilled version that was like the fried version, and I think I succeeded. Wow. The chips actually have more of a prominent flavor than I expected, but it's good because it works with the chipotle and honey, and like there's a nice spice throughout the chicken, but also from the spicy pickles, and of course that spicy mayo. But like the fat in the mayo really adds to like the overall richness and helps it have that fried fatty flavor without actually being fried. Thanks for watching Grilling At. We're gonna have more new episodes for you all season long throughout the fall and up into the winter. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. This thing's so good. Hey, I'm Dan from The Food in My Beard. Haven't done this in a while.